Hello, I just wanted to show off a little something I've been working on. I'm making a microcontroller simulator, so you can connect the pins to the component pins with a right click. And so if I want to move power to it, I would go move 100 to P0, and then I would sleep. You have to have at least one sleep in there for it to run, because otherwise it uh, will just go into a infinite loop and make it crash. There needs to be some downtime between function calls. Um, and then, so if I want to blink it, I'll go move 0, P0, and then sleep. And see, I've got this register here, the accumulator register. Oh, and to for safety purposes, we should ground it as well. Don't forget to ground it. And so how we can use the accumulator register, when you do an add command, it'll add to the accumulator, and then we can check if it's equal to a value. So we'll see if we'll check if the accumulator is equal to 100, and then the plus sign is conditional execution. This will execute if it was found to be equal. So if it is, then what we're going to do is we're going to move 0 to the accumulator, so it starts over. And then we're going to move the accumulator to the pin. So what this will do is it will slowly fade in the power. So we can see that. And yeah, that's about it for now. But I'm excited about this project. I've got some inspiration from this game, Shenzhen IO, and I'm looking at some microcontroller stuff, because I want to the circuits game I'm building. I want to implement this eventually in 3D, and I figured this is a good intermediate to do it in 2D first, to put it up on a website, and you can access this. This is on a Amazon Web Services instance. So if you just navigate to this IP, you will find the project, and the code for it is up on my GitHub if you want to check that out. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.